In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish your GoDaddy website. Whether you're looking to make some updates, take a break from your online presence, or simply need a fresh start, unpublishing your website can be a strategic move. I'll walk you through each step to ensure you do this seamlessly and without any hiccups. First, you'll want to navigate to the GoDaddy website. Open your web browser, type in godaddy.com, and hit enter. Once the homepage loads, you'll need to log into your account. In the upper right corner, you'll see a Sign In button. Click on it and enter your account details. If you've saved your username and password for easier access, simply click on your account name once prompted and you'll be taken to the account management section. With your account open, you'll then need to locate the product dashboard. This can usually be found on the My Products page. By scrolling down, you'll see an array of options, but you'll want to focus on the section labeled Web Hosting or Website Builder, depending on what service you're using with GoDaddy. Click on Manage beside your website's name to proceed to the next step. You should now be in the Management section for your website. What we're looking for here is the Editing section. If you're using Website Builder, locate the tab that lets you edit or manage your site. It's often prominently displayed near the top of the page and labeled as Edit Site or something similar. Click that button to enter the website editor. Once inside the editor, here's where the unpublishing takes place. You'll generally find an option or menu item labeled Settings or Site Actions. Within this menu, there should be an option to unpublish your site. It's essential to understand that unpublishing is a temporary action. It's perfect for those times when you want to take your website down without losing any content or structure. Click Unpublish, and a confirmation message should appear, asking if you're sure about this action. Confirm that you wish to unpublish, and GoDaddy will proceed to remove your site from the public web. After that step is completed, you can rest assured your website is no longer visible to the public. Keep in mind that the content remains preserved in GoDaddy's system, enabling you to make necessary changes or improvements in private. You can easily republish your site at any time when you're ready for it to go live again. And there you have it. Your website is now unpublished. Remember, this doesn't delete any of your website content, it's simply making it private until you decide otherwise. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Until next time, happy website managing.